Is your 2014 or newer Toyota Highlander Hybrid brake pedal feeling soft or spongy under your foot? This happens because your car is struggling to switch between the electric motor brakes and the physical fluid brakes. The answer is that you have air trapped deep inside the electronic actuator valves, or your internal pump is losing its ability to hold pressure. You cannot fix this by pumping the pedal like an old truck, because these cars use a complex brake-by-wire system. When you press the pedal, a stroke sensor tells a computer how much stopping power you want. The computer then decides whether to use the electric motors or the hydraulic pump to slow you down. In slow, bumper-to-bumper traffic, this transition happens constantly. If the pedal lacks a firm bite or sinks toward the floor, the hydraulic side is failing to hold a steady load. Most of the time, this mushy feeling starts after a mechanic tries to bleed the brakes the old-fashioned way. Cracking a bleeder screw and pumping the pedal manually will not work on these hybrids. That method actually traps more air inside the solenoid valve body of the electronically controlled brake actuator. To fix a soft pedal, you must use the Toyota Techstream diagnostic software or a high-end bidirectional tool to run an active brake bleed. This is the only way to cycle the internal valves and force air out of the high-pressure circuit. First, plug in your scan tool and check for trouble code Charlie 1391, which indicates an internal leak. Second, run the linear solenoid valve calibration sequence to reset how the computer reads your foot pressure. Third, perform the full electronic bleed while keeping the reservoir topped off with fresh brake fluid. Fourth, watch the pump cycle timing to see if it runs too often while the car is just sitting still. If you ignore this sinking feeling, the internal pump will work too hard and eventually burn out completely. Replacing the entire actuator assembly is a very expensive hardware fix that you want to avoid. Usually, a soft pedal is your first warning that the system is losing its timing and hydraulic integrity. Address the air in the actuator now to keep your stopping distances short and predictable. If your pedal sinks at red lights, check your fluid level right away. You need to make sure the fluid is clean and clear of any dark debris. Dark bits in the reservoir mean the internal seals are already starting to fall apart from heat and age. If the pedal stays soft even after a computer bleed, the accumulator is likely failing to hold its charge of pressure. This system relies on high pressure to stay safe and responsive. A firm pedal means the valves are sealing and the air is gone. Do not guess on this repair because the software is the only way to see what the valves are doing inside the block. Take the time to run the calibration correctly. This ensures the transition from regenerative braking to friction braking stays smooth and firm every time you stop. If your Highlander has over 100,000 miles, this check is even more important for your safety. Keep the fluid fresh and the computer calibrated to avoid the most expensive repairs. Check your brake fluid color today. If your pedal feels like a sponge, drop a comment with your mileage.